Oh, that beer was spilling. Oh, we got a Band-Aid empty map. I didn't know this. Okay, now let's fill this map with awesome. So we found a castle. Didn't know we were gonna find a castle. Put that away with my wooden knife, or as you know, wooden sword. And let's try to find some chests. And hopefully we won't run into some nasty monsters. You guys have any idea what this is? Canned pasta. We could eat that. We got a gun. An MP5. We got a hatchet. Good progress already. Just starting. Pistol ammo, bone. Oh, look at this map. It's looking good already. Let's have our hatchet out. No, I like our wooden sword. Hashtag wooden